Hey guys, welcome back to CKC Casual Korean Cooking. Today we'll be making Ojingeo-bokkeum or Spicy Stir-fried Squid. So let's get to it. So this is the amount of 2 squids, and we're going to take a paper towel and dry them because there is water on them. Now we're going to cut this spot right here. Now we're going to make a straight line crossing right here to basically cut off a little bit of the skin so we can peel off the skin. So the part where you made a little line, you're going to cut off the edge right there. So now we're going to put some little knife cuts inside the squid. So this is where we took out the skin, and if we flip it over, this side has a lot of more moisture and stuff. And we're going to make little cuts on this side, so as shown. So in case if you didn't have the tool that we just used, you can just make little cuts right here, like really thin cuts. So now we are going to do it the other side. Now, last time we did it like this, and now we're going to do it this way. And also, again, you can do it with your knife. So now we're going to take the part that we got from the head, and we're going to cut off the little edge right here because it is very sturdy and we don't want to eat that. So we're going to cut that off with a knife. And now we're going to cut the head into little strips. And again, we're going to slice the regular parts. Now we're going to cut the tentacles. Now we're going to cut our vegetables, which are 1/4 of a cabbage, half a small onion, 2 bell peppers, and 2 regular carrots. Now we're going to take the squid on the grill and grill it on this pan. Now we're going to add oil to the pan and we're going to add the carrots. In about 2-3 minutes, and we're going to add the onion and cabbage. The heat is on medium-high right now. Now we're going to add the egg that we made. Now we're adding the squid because it's been 10 minutes in. Then to the pan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of gochujang and 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of gochugaru. Then 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Then 1 tablespoon of mirin. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of 올리고당 or cooking syrup. Then 6 minced garlic. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger syrup or 생강청. Three stalks of green onion. Then we're going to stir and cook it all the way through. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's been about 15 minutes since we started, and you can enjoy it. So subscribe, like, enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time.